Welcome back to the new video. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of Blopung car air purifier and also review the product. To know the price, to know from where I purchased this and also the efficiency of the product, please watch the video till the end. So well, let's start with a quick unboxing, and first of all let me disinfect the box, which is very important step whenever you touch any product from outside due to global pandemic COVID-19. Blopung is a German brand and it was established in 1924. Now let's open the box guys and see what we have inside. Guys, inside the box we are provided with the paperwork. It gives you the description about the product, the direction to use and etc. Other than that, we have the unit itself. The unit is made up of steel and you can feel that. So now let's keep the unit aside and look at what else do we get with this purifier. So guys, this box contains the cord, the connecting cord, and the connecting cord can be connected through a USB cable and it is very simple to use product. Guys, due to increase in air pollution, the air purifier is a must for every car. Although many car brands nowadays give air purifier in its AC system itself. Guys, you can go through your car's usual manuals to make sure that you really need this product or not. The specification about the product is given in this paper along with the direction to use. Now let's close the box and have a look at the main unit. This air purifier system can be kept on the cup holder of the car. So guys, here's the first impression of the unit, and this is made up of metal and you can feel this. Upside we have touch control panel. This is a touch system. So you can see airflow inlet and the filter is visible through this, and this is the connecting point. The company suggests to replace the filter within 6 months, but it also depends upon the use. So guys, this is the bottom cover and we are given with the specification about the product. So guys, this bottom cover can be opened and filter can be replaced through this. Guys, airflow outlet is given above. Let's open the bottom cover and have a look how the filter is. This filter can be replaced accordingly. This filter is HEPA filter. It gives 3-layer filtering system. Guys, this activated carbon filter is must for your car and company claims that it filters PM 2.5, VOC virus and bacteria. Here we have the main unit, although the fan is not visible. So guys, let's place the filter back to its position and we'll have a demo. Guys, to maintain the air quality of your car's cabin, there is no harm in purchasing a product like that. Now let's keep the unit and have a look on the cable that we get with this pack. So here we have a cable for the power supply with a USB port. Now guys, the USB port is available anywhere, even you can connect this with your laptop, PC or power bank. So guys, as you can see that this is the USB cord given with the product. Guys, the cable is long enough for our use to keep it near the cup holder of the car. Now let's give the power supply to the purifier and let's have a look how it works. Now guys, here I am using my cell phone power bank to give it power supply. And here we go guys, you can see the device is turned on and the blue light is the UV lamp. Guys, the green light signifies that the device is working and you can feel the airflow from the outlet vent. So guys, basically the device takes air from airflow inlet from behind and gives it out from outlet. So guys, this device is very simple to use. To turn it on, just touch it once, and if you want to turn it off, again you can touch it so that the device is off and you can see the red light when the device is not working. Guys, one more feature about this product is that we have aroma holder in the middle of the filter. So you can put few drops of essential oil of your choice in the aroma holder for the fragrance in the car. Let me tell you guys, this filter is replaceable and it can be replaced according to your use. So guys, if we talk about the price of the product, so the price quoted on the box is 5,990 rupees, although Amazon price is 5,500. So guys, you can compare the price and order the product accordingly. Bye bye guys.